Dear friends, today we shall discuss exercise 3.6 question number 2. What is the H shape of two consecutive A numbers, B even numbers, C odd numbers? We'll take the example and find what is the H shape of two consecutive numbers. Right. Suppose we will solving question number A. Right. Now, what is the consecutive number? Consecutive numbers means suppose the number is 5. Then the consecutive number next number will be 5 plus 1, that is 6. These are consecutive numbers. Or you can say that consecutive numbers are 1, 2. And two consecutive numbers is 2 and 3. Next number is 3 and 3. Next number is 4. Right? These are consecutive numbers. Right? Consecutive number means suppose there is a number n, then the next number will be n plus 1. Right? That is consecutive numbers. Right? Now let us take consecutive numbers. Suppose I am taking consecutive numbers as 1 and 2, right? Another number 2, 3, next number 3, 4, and next number 4, 5, 4, 5, right? Now if you write, find the shape of this, 1 can be written as, here you see, 1 can be written as prime factor as, 1 can be written as 1 into 1, and 2 can be written as 1 into 2, right? Therefore, H shape is common, highest common factor, or H shape of two consecutive number we are finding is equal to 1. 1 is common, right? In this case, here you see 2 is equal to 1 into 2, and 3 is equal to 1 into 3. Therefore, H shape of two consecutive number is equal to 1. In this case also 3 is equal to, we can write 1 into 3, and 4 in this case you can write 1 into 2 into 2. Therefore, H shape of two consecutive numbers in this case is only 1. Here also you can find 4 is equal to, you can write 1 into 2 into 2, and 5 can be written as 1 into 5. Therefore, H shape in this case is also 1, right? Therefore, what is the H shape of two consecutive numbers? Therefore, you can say that the H shape of two consecutive numbers is 1. We can say that the H shape H shape of two consecutive numbers is 1, right? This is the solution of question number A. Now we'll do the question number B. In question number B, see what is the H shape of two consecutive even numbers. Let us write all the even numbers starting from 2. Suppose 2 and 4 even numbers, one pair. Next pair is 4 and 6. Next pair is 6 and 8. And next pair is 8 and 10. 8 and 10. Now we will find the H shape of these numbers. Now 2 can be written as 1 into 2, and 4 can be written as 1 into 2 into 2, right? Therefore, H shape of 2 and 4 is, here you see, H shape is equal to 2. 2 is common, right? Therefore, H shape of 2 and 4 is 2. In this case, 4 can be written as 1 into 2 into 2, and 6 can be written as 1 into 2 into 3. Therefore, H shape of 4 and 6 is equal to, here you see, 2 is common, H shape 2. In case of 6, 6 can be written as 1 into 2 into 3, and 8 can be written as 1 into 2 into 2 into 2. Now a shape of 6 and 8 is equal to 2, right? In the case of 8 and 10, 8 can be written as 1 into 2 into 2 into 2, right? And 10 can be written as 2 into 5. Therefore, a shape in this case is also 2. Therefore, you can say that what is the a shape of two consecutive even numbers? We can say the a shape of two consecutive even number is 2. Therefore, the answer is the HCF of two consecutive even number is 2, right? Next, we'll solve question number C. In question number C, what is the HCF of two consecutive odd numbers? Let us take the example of odd numbers. Odd numbers are two consecutive odd, 1 3, and next is 3 5. Next one is 5 7, 5 7, etc. Right? Next, first one can be written as 1 into 1, that is 1 into 1, and 3 is equal to written as 1 into 3, 1 into 3. Therefore, HCF of 1 and 3 is HCF is equal to 1. In this case, 3 can be written as 1 into 3, and 5 can be written as 1 into 5. Therefore, HCF of 3 and 5 is also 1, is equal to 1. In this case, 5 is equal to, you can write 1 into 5. In case of 7, you can write 1 into 7, 1 into 7. Therefore, HCF in this case is also 1. Therefore, you can say that the HCF of two consecutive odd number is always 1. Therefore, you can say that the HCF of two consecutive odd numbers is 1. This is the solution of question number C.